Hi everybody, and welcome to Selwyn Tech Topics. This is the fourth video in the Windows 10 playlist. Today we're going to take a look at how to change your desktop background photo and color scheme. Let's get started.
To begin, right-click on the desktop and then left-click on Personalize. First, we're going to take a look at the background. Your options here are either a picture, a solid color, or a slideshow. Let's take a look at picture first. So we've selected picture, and then you're going to click on Browse. This pop-up window here, you're going to navigate to the pictures you have saved on your computer. They should be under the pictures location. From here, either open a folder or scroll down to all the loose pictures until you find the picture you want set as your background. Once you've found it, click once on the picture and then choose Picture. There's no apply or OK, it just automatically happens. So to preview it, click on the minimize button to see your background. You can see here it's centered the picture and applied a black background. Let's take a look at how to do that. Click on Settings, that has been minimized. And now we're going to scroll down. So here we've chosen our picture. Now we're going to choose a fit. So you can see here center was selected, and that's why it's in the center of the background. You'll play around with these options to see which one looks best. Maybe if we choose fill, for example, again, there's no apply or OK, it just automatically happens. So we'll minimize. And there's your preview. So you can see now instead of being in just the center, it's filled the whole space. So this is a preference thing on how you want your background to look. Let's open up settings again. That was the fill. I'm going to go back to center. And below that, here are some color options. So if you choose center or a fit that allows for some color behind or around that picture, here's where you choose what that color is going to be. So maybe if we want blue, I'm going to click on blue. That's been applied. Minimize settings, and you can see I now have a blue background. Click on settings. Maybe we want an orange-yellow background. Minimize to preview, and that's been applied. I'm going to return to the black. So that's if you want to choose a picture. You may want to just have a solid color. So you choose solid color, and then again, choose which color you'd want your background to be. So if I select green and minimize, now my whole background is green. Maybe I want gray. Minimize, and my background is gray. So that's solid color. Finally is slideshow. Here you can choose a folder of pictures that will scroll through on a timed interval. First, you need to find that album. Click on Browse, navigate to Pictures, and then choose the folder you want your pictures to pull from. I'm going to use this folder as an example. I've clicked on it once. Click on Choose this folder. That's now been selected. Next, choose your time interval. How often do you want that new picture to come up? You can then turn on Shuffle, so the computer will randomly pull pictures in that folder. If you leave it turned off, it will systematically go through the pictures in order that they are in the folder. Here, let the slideshow run even if on battery power, so that's a power saving option whether or not you turn that on or off. Choose your fit, similar to just one singular picture, how you want that picture to display on the screen. And if you choose a fit that allows for color to be around the picture, choose that color. Again, there's no apply or okay, it automatically happens. So if you minimize your settings, you can see I now have a picture on my screen, and every 1 minute a new picture will come up. So that's the background options. Next, we're going to take a look at the color scheme. We click on colors. This will determine what colors show. For example, if you hover on start, you can see it changes from black to teal. If I click on a start menu, the color around each program icon is a teal color. So that's the color now we're looking to change, or here you can see teal around my search box. So it's the accent colors. Scroll down. We have a number of colors to choose from, or you can pull in a custom color if you want to. So we'll choose maybe purple. Simply click on it. And now you'll see if I hover on start or open the start menu, purple has been applied as the accent color. Return to settings. Maybe I want, what do they call that? Pale red. So I've selected pale red. Click on start, and I can see that color being applied as the accent color. So again, just a personal preference, selecting the color you'd like to be as your accent. When you're done choosing your colors and setting your background picture, you can click on the X to close settings altogether. Remember, changing your background and color scheme is something you can change as often as you like to customize your computer to you. Hope this video helps. Happy learning and good luck.